everyone, I'm Hari Krishna and welcome to Tuler YouTube channel. As the corona pandemic lasted more than 2 years, it has reduced number of schools open, and due to this reason, many students' mental memory capacity and handwriting skill has reduced very much. Due to low memory capacity, many students are struggling to learn very simple topics. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase our memory power with just 7 easy, simple and effective methods. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to your YouTube channel and hit that bell icon for more videos just like this. So now let's get into the video. Tip number 1. Always give your brain less input and try to gain more output from that. It means that many students are thinking that only when we study for long hours we can improve our memory power. But that is not true. We can study just for half an hour a single topic, then we can recall it for many times. By recalling the topic, the thing what we have learned is permanently stored in our brain. It will also make your study time very happy and interesting. First you have to read a topic, then you have to recall the topic in your mind. If you have any questions or queries, write it down and try to clear the queries or questions. By this method, you can increase your memory power very fast, and it is one of the best methods to increase our memory power. Tip number 2. Always train your brain to learn. Before studying complex topics, always view a short summary about the topic which you are going to learn. In this method, you can always know the concept about the topic and you will get a clarity that this is what we are going to read. Your brain gets ready. As you know the main idea, the topic will be very easier to understand. As you know the concept and main idea, your brain can store the topic and concept for a long period of time. It will be very useful for your exams. Tip number 3. Always simplify. While you are reading some large or complex topics, make sure to simplify as much as possible. By simplification, you can easily memorize that topic and your brain can understand it very easily. So while you are studying, always take simple and easy notes. By referring that notes, your brain can get a clarification about the topic or the content which you are reading currently. And it will also help your brain to store it in the long-term memory. Tip number 4. Learn similar things instead of repeating. You have to learn different interrelated topics of the main content. For example, if you are reading about cells, always read about different types of cells. Don't stick to a particular cell. As you are reading about different cells, you can get a good clarification and ideas about the cells. By this method, your brain can able to solve a problem in different angle. You will get more creativity and more memory power. So always learn similar things instead of repeating the same main content. Tip number 5. Always use 80-20 principle, which means that you give 20% of your effort to gain 80% of the output. Always do less work or smart work to gain more output. Don't study for long hours. Learn for half an hour and always recall the topics, by which you can get more output. You can also get more memory power. If you study for long hours, you will not be able to understand the topics and the subject would feel very boring for you. So always read for a short period of time and the subject will not be boring. You learn thoroughly what the content you are learning. You can understand the concept of the topic you are learning. So always do less work to get more output. Tip number 6. Always eat healthy food which is good for your brain as well as your body. You have to eat green veggies, different types of nuts every day to keep your brain more active, concentrated, sharp and healthy. As you are eating, you should never forget of doing exercise. Only by means of exercise, we can get good amount of oxygen for our body as well as to our brain. So eat healthy foods and do regular body exercises. Tip number 7. always have better sleep. Only by means of sleeping, your brain can get rest. Otherwise, your brain will never get rest. So, sleep for at least 8 hours a day. It will keep your mind very calm and it will keep your body very healthy. So, never miss the sleep. So, okay friends, in this video I have told you about 7 easy, effective and best methods to increase your memory power. So, follow these steps to restore your memory and get good marks in your exams. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you friends. Let me meet you in the next video. Until this, we are Krishna signing off. Bye friends.